Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're reviewing the best iPhone 12 Pro Max screen replacement available on the market. If you've cracked your screen or noticed it's not functioning properly, this is the kit you need to bring your device back to life. This screen replacement is designed specifically for the iPhone 12 Pro Max with a 6.7-inch display. It's not compatible with any other iPhone models, so make sure you double-check your device before purchasing. The kit includes everything you need for a complete installation, including a 3D Touch LCD display, Digitizer, assembly, and all the necessary precision tools to complete the repair. You'll even find a tempered glass screen protector and waterproof seal, ensuring your device is as good as new once you're done. One of the standout features of this screen replacement kit is the high-quality multi-touch display with excellent color accuracy and sensitivity. Each screen is tested before shipping, which means you're getting a reliable product that works just as well as the original screen. Whether your screen is cracked, scratched, or malfunctioning, this kit offers a perfect solution to restore your iPhone 12 Pro Max to full functionality. The repair tools included in the kit make the process straightforward and user-friendly, even if you've never done a screen replacement before. The instructions are easy to follow, ensuring that you won't run into any issues during installation. It's a great way to save money instead of paying for costly repairs at a service center. Overall, the iPhone 12 Pro Max screen replacement kit is a must-have for anyone looking to fix a broken screen. It combines affordability, quality, and convenience in one package, making it the best option for a DIY repair. If you're in need of a screen replacement, this is the kit you can trust to get the job done right. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one.